First of all, welcome all of you. In this video I will share some ideas of 3D lettering. It's so amazing. I am very excited. Are you ready? Let's go. So viewers, this is the first letter S. You can see how beautifully I starts to draw this 3D letter. Hope you will like my ideas. And it's done. Look how beautiful it is. I am sharing with you a beautiful way to write. I love 3D lettering the most. By this video, I am inspiring you to write beautifully. Personally, I like the letter R. Which letter do you like the most? Please tell me in the comment section. Guess what? I am going to write. Oh yes, this is the letter N. Now I am converting it into 3D shape. Look how beautiful it is. I am going to color its 3 sides black and other 3 sides yellow. This is the most easiest and good way to write. Try it on your maths notebook. Is this method helpful or not? 3D lettering is very good idea. You should try it to teach the beginners, your siblings, or children. This is the letter T. The people whose names start with this letter. Drop a sweet comment to appreciate. Viewers, you should try this 3D lettering idea. Trust me, it's amazing. You will be amazed. And please comment your name's first letter. It's almost done. Have a look. Isn't it pretty? Look, blue color is my favorite. That's why I choose it to turn blue. Wow, how pretty it is looking. I am feeling joy sharing this with you. Share your ideas with me too. Keep creating and spreading positivity and love with your friends and family. Be a creative soul. It will make your mind happy too. Keep trying every minute. You can do it. Always try your best to do. I am sharing with you a series of 3D lettering videos. I always enjoy doing fine arts. Do you like it too? Look, that's so nice. Try it by yourself. Viewers, the next letter I am writing is V. You know why I am writing this letter? Because my friend name is Vanessa, and she demanded her name's first letter videos. Raise your hands if your name's first letter is F. It's too easy to do 3D hand lettering. Viewers, you should try it compulsory. If you are not an expert, if you are a beginner in fine arts, then try it with pencil and use a scale to draw perfect lines. One day you will be able to write it by your hands perfectly with pointer brushes or paint. Thanks for watching me creating this video. Subscribe my channel to get more informative ideas of fine arts. I will try my best to upload more amazing videos to inspire you the most. Please must like the video and press bell icon for new updates. Keep creating and smiling too. Be happy.